Hello everyone and welcome back to the Python programming. On the last video we learned how to use the simple if-else statement in Python. Now let us go one step deeper and learn the next technique, the nested if statement in Python. In the case of nested if statement, you can use one if statement inside another if statement. Let us try to understand this with the help of an example itself. Here I'm going to take three variables. Let us start with A, 5, and we'll give 10 for B, and then 15 for C. Now we have assigned values to three variables starting from 5, 10 and 15 to A, B and C variables. Now I'm going to write an if condition. If B is greater than A, print B is greater. Now let us give our nested if here. If B is equal to 10, print B is equal to 10. Now let us go ahead and execute this program and check the results. Yeah, perfect. So in this case the if condition was true because B was greater than A. Therefore the control went inside the first if condition and you got the first printf statement printed, B is greater. And then Python went on to the second if statement and it checked whether B is equal to 10 or not. B is equal to 10. Therefore the second print statement is also executed. Now let us try to modify the same example to see a negative case as well. So if B less than A, so here I'm going to give a negative case. B is actually not less than A. So in this case B is smaller. If this is true, we'll have one more. If B is equal to 10, print B is equal to 10. In this case, the second if condition is same. We only modify the first if condition here. In the case of first example, the first if condition was true. But in the case of second example, the first if condition is false. Now let us execute this program and check the results. In this case, the first if condition was false, so the Python controller came out directly. So let us quickly recap what we learned on this particular lecture. On this lecture, we mainly learned how to use an if condition inside another if condition. But what's more important for you to keep it in mind, if only the first if condition is true, the second if condition will be executed. Otherwise, Python will ignore the second if condition. If you have any questions on this part of the lecture, please log into our Q&A session. I really appreciate the time that you spend with me and looking forward to see you on the next video. Thank you.